My name is Alexis Vartanian. I'm CTO and founder of TechViz. TechViz is a software editor based out of France, and we have been in this market for the last 15 years. And VR, of course, is using heavily tracking system, so we do our customers. TechViz is a unique software in the sense that that's the only software on the market that can work with existing application without data conversion to bring this in VR. Art Days is very important for us because that's a place to meet the main actors in this market, and especially the actors who are invested into looking in depth what advanced functionalities you can do with tracking. Most of our customers only use tracking just so that it works in cave, but there are advanced functionalities like body tracking, finger tracking, especially this year, and the interaction with the model, with the haptic feedback, and that's the main place to be to discuss this. It's really amazing because we have been here for the last 15 years, and now, a lot of young people with new device and a new tracking solution come very cheap, but at the very end, it doesn't still achieve what we expect for professional applications, which we achieve here with all the things that are here. And the big benefit of this is that it brings attention to the VR technology to a lot of new companies who get interested. And when they see the basic and cheap device don't match their need, they are now again looking into our technology. In this demonstration, typically we have a typical setup with a back projection screen with a laser projector for digital projections. And we have a full body tracking with 8 IRT Track 5 camera, and also finger tracking, and this new finger tracking is latest release with haptic feedback, and that's the main part we are going to show. On the software side, we are with TechViz displaying a model which is just loaded into CATIA V5, and it's a model of a car with screen panels that we are demonstrating that we can interact directly with the GPS screen with the finger tracking, and that's something new from our side. And we think that it attracts a lot of interest in the automotive industry, especially. We are showing TechViz enabling CATIA V5 with a car model. And the new thing we are showing this year is the image interaction that enables to interact with car screens directly by touching the screens. The IRT network, actually, it's really the core of the VR network. Actually, you see the main worldwide actors here, and the customers also are very important, like Carolina de la Cruz, who is doing the talks this year. And this is really the core of the VR, which is here, basically. So we have with the TechViz image integration functionality the capability to display instrument cluster inside the car based on real instrument cluster, like typically the navigation system or the media control system, and I can directly push the buttons of these applications and see the application working with the zooming in and out in the map or selecting the radio station. And I can feel when I touch the screen with the new haptic feedback of the IRT finger tracking, which was introduced at IRT Days, and that helps to get a more realistic feeling of people doing evaluation of new car dashboards directly without any preparation, any data conversion, directly on the CAD model. And that helps shorten development cycles for car manufacturers. They can directly evaluate a complete dashboard with the software running on the instrument cluster, and all in a single virtual reality system.